Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the machine is responsive. Make sure it's powered and the door is closed. You'll press and hold the power or smart button for about 3 to 5 seconds to access service or settings mode. This step forces the control board into configuration so you can change time. Once the display shows indicators or flashing lights, you're ready to navigate options. Use the program or cycle knob next to the panel to move between menu items. Now you navigate to the clock or timer option by turning the program or cycle knob until the display shows time or clock. You adjust hours first, using temp, spin, or the +/- buttons to increase or decrease values. Afterward, switch to minutes and repeat. Make sure you change AM/PM if the model uses that format. Once the numbers read correctly, press Start, OK, or Save to lock the new time in. You'll see the display settle and flashing will finish by running a short test cycle to verify the clock, and delayed start functions follow the new time. This confirms the control saved settings. If the time resets after power loss, make sure any battery backup or capacitor is functional, and consider replacing the main control board if it won't retain settings. If nothing else works, perform a factory reset to clear errors, but make sure you write down current options first so you can reconfigure them once reset completes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.